Right. Voice is low. My voice is low. What, my dear? Check it, remaining members. Is my voice is low or okay? Can you adjustable? Right. Shall we do examples on Djnago models? Today is the complete practical session. Shall I start the practical things one by one? Right. That is great. Mohan, yesterday I given notes to you. Actually, I didn't install MongoDB in my system. Mohan Prasad. Django -admin start project DJ models pro. Yes. Are you there, everyone? Shall I move forward? Right. Project created DJ models pro. Then after that one, start app, whatever it is, any app. Then py manage.py run server. Yes, it is perfectly running. Models pro, where it is created. You can check it. Coming models pro here. Check it. Right, guys. Come on. What I need to do? You should help me, my dears. You should help me, my dears. Every time I am typing, you are observing not. Help me. Be active. Be active. Come on, after path. Type in the chat box. Right. After that one. Web app configuration. Then template dir. Database connectivity I am not changing. SQLite 3 I am working. After that, come on. Static is equal to static. Then yes. Guys, everybody okay now up to here? Right. After completion of settings, then what we need to do? As usual, go back and first we need to create templates, static, all the resources. Actually, I don't want. No, I don't want the templates. Now I want to show database level. So database level I want to show. First, our concentration is where should we move? First, models level where we should move. Yesterday I shown to you already. Come on. First, we need to move to models. Models.py generally where existed? Models.py generally which level existed? Project level, application level. Application level existed, not project level. It is only application level existed. Excellent. Right. I'm going to write now. Simple. Shall I write now? Whatever the classes I required here. Class. Employee. Come on, what I said, models dot model. For example, I'm giving EMP ID is equal to models dot integer field. Are you following me? EMP name. EMP name. Come on, models dot. Yesterday I showed you already. Models dot char field. Max length not compulsory. If you want, you can give. Max underscore length is equal to some characters. 20 characters, whatever it is. Max you can give, no problem. After that one, EMP salary is equal to models dot. What I'm giving? Integer field. Any number you can provide. Employee address is equal to models dot char field. You need to provide address. I'm giving char field. Max length something you can provide, no issue. EMP address level, it is giving integer field, char field, all the fields. Check it once, whatever the models level things existed here. Any question, you can question me. What we wrote, Python class we wrote. We wrote a Python class. Where you want a float field, Jacob? Where you want a float field, you can tell me. There I'll give the float field also. Okay, no problem. You can give, no issue. Integer field, char field, float field, whatever it is. But concept, are you clear? In the models.py level, which code is one? Is it database code or Python code? Is it database code or Python code? Yes, this is a Python code. So this Python code we are going to convert into database. Who will do that responsibility? Django will do. Who will do that responsibility? Django will do. But in general programming, how we are writing same thing, you know, we are writing like this. Same thing in general programming level. Create table, table name. Are you understanding? Create table, table name. Then what we are giving? Anybody? Create table, table name, column name. Come on, EMP ID int. Come on, next one. EMP name. Are you getting what I'm writing? Are you getting what I'm writing? Yes, yes. This is a database style. Create table, table name, column 1, data type, constraint, column 2, data type, constraint, column 3, data type, constraint. So there are many things. Anybody are having idea database? Anybody SQL language? Anybody are having idea database SQL language idea? Come on quickly. Yes, SQL idea is there. This is very simple. Yes, create, insert, delete, update. Lot of where classes we are using, DML operations, TCL operations, DDL operations. There are many operations existed here. All the operations you guys having idea. Right? Up to here clear? Same I wrote. See, observe here. Read the note point. This model class will be created, will be converted into database table. Django is responsible for that. Create table, table name, ID by default coming. In Django level, ID is the default with primary key, remaining whatever we are giving. So how you are getting table name? Table name generally you are getting application name underscore table or models. Every time in Django complete life level, you need to remember app underscore model name is called table name. I'll show you practically, don't worry. This model class will be converted into database table. Right. Shall I move forward, everyone? You got a picture now? Right. ORM. Anybody you heard the name in Django level ORM? Object Relational Mapper. Django ORM provides an elegant and powerful way to interact with the database. It is just a fancy word describing how to access the data stored in the database in object-oriented fashion. Okay, first definition clear. I'll show you one beautiful picture to you. Clear or not, you can check it, the definition. Low voice, Santosh, my voice is low for you. I think sufficient voice I'm speaking out. Okay, Django ORM provides an elegant and powerful way to interact with the database. It is just a fancy word describing how to access the data stored in the database in object-oriented fashion. Okay, so what is this ORM? How this ORM is? Come down and you can give Django ORM. Observe you only. This picture is giving definitely this great meaning. See, in relational database management level, how it is visible: ID, first name, last name, phone number. Then in Python level, how it is visible, you can see same like classes, class name, and you are giving fields. ORM provides a bridge between relational database tables, comma relationships, and fields and Python objects. ORM provides a bridge between relational database tables, relationships, and fields and Python objects. Clear or not? This picture giving any meaningful information to you? Is the picture giving any meaningful information to you? Come on, reminding. Yes, each record represents a class object. Perfect. That is only model. That is only model. Clear? Right. Block diagram clear for you? Now, actually what I wrote like this. This is Python code, but Python code directly is not suitable to store the data inside the database. Then this class or this model class, we need to convert into, come on, this model class, we need to convert into SQL code. This model class, we need to convert into SQL code. You want to do SQL code, you can go for migration. Anybody you heard the name? Very, very different terminologies. Properly try to understand every term, and you are in a position to get the information. Anybody you are migration? Anybody you heard the name? A migration allows you to move databases from one design to another, converting model class into database specific SQL code. Very good. Observe the migration, everybody. Observe the migration, everybody. Come on, migration. A migration allows you to move database from one design to another, converting model class into database specific SQL code. Correct or not? That migration part I'm going to show you now. That is only make migrations. Are you following? Something differently available today terminologies? Something differently available today terminologies. Are you following me? First of all, this picture is clear. Any question on this picture? Yes, this picture is clear. No question here. Okay, very good. Then is the theory is clear for you what I did? Project creation, application creation, running the server, configuration the things, and do required settings, configuring database, and models.py. Clear, everybody? Slowly can. Very important points, all these are. Not hard coding, Mohan Prasad. You are doing 1% duty, 99% duty Django doing. I'll show you how Django is doing. You will get wonder. But this is compulsory you need to write. This is a logical, actual logic. Okay, right. This model class is converted. It is looking like this. I'll show you this code also. I'll show you. Then ORM. ORM after block diagram I shown to you. Then I'm talking about the migration. So migration means what happening, what you are understanding. Migration means what is happening. Come on, everybody. Okay, there is. Definitely I'll send to you. Migration means what? Not automatically. You need to run the command, whatever required, current, current. Automatically never happens. A migration is nothing but converting ORM means Python code into SQL code. Very good. It is converting Python code into SQL code. Shall I say model class into SQL code? Shall I say model class into SQL code? Very good. What is a command for that one? Py manage.py make migrations. What is manage.py job here? What is manage.py job here? Managing all project resources. Managing all project resources. But before you are going to configure, settings first you need to complete. After settings over, then only you need to do models. Please remember everybody this word. Without doing settings, don't do any kind of models. Come on, py manage.py. Then what I need to do? Make migrations. Make migrations. So make migration is responsible to generate SQL code for Python model class. Up to here, everybody clear? Anything you are thinking? Up to here, everybody clear? Very confused topic here. Py manage.py make migrations. I am hitting a return key. Observe you only. Super. It is created already model EMP. And where this model EMP existed, click on the project. Something created migrations. Observe here. Something created. Double click on that one. Yes. Observe. Don't worry. Observe here. Something created. Observe everybody. Who wrote this code? I wrote. Who wrote this code? I wrote. No. Automatically, when you are giving make migrations, when you are giving make migrations, who did that? Django did that. Django did that. Very good. Can I see this SQL code? Definitely, I'll show you this SQL code. Don't worry. Definitely, I'll show you this SQL code. Come to nodes. Observe. Observe you only. Migration allows completed. Created. Make migration is responsible to generate SQL code for Python model class. In the migrations folder available, table contains an auto created ID field. The name of the table is a combination of app name and model name. Then syntax, app name underscore model class name. Check it. Up to here, every point clear or not? Web app underscore EMP. Application name, comma, model name. What it contains a model class combination of table name, fields, data types. What is table name here? Web app underscore EMP. Fields, EMP ID, EMP name, EMP cell, many things. Data types. Check it. Different. Different. I want to see this migrations level SQL code. Can we see? Definitely we can see what SQL code generated. Shall I show you what SQL code Django generated? Do you want to see? What SQL code Django generated? Do you want to see that? If you want to see that, come down. Come on, I'm giving. Py manage.py SQL migrate, very important. SQL migrate, and what they're giving, web app, okay, SQL migrate, and they're giving web app, capital letters, small letters, correct, observe. 0, 0, 0, they said 1. You're available the name. You're available the name, create model. Right, web app. SQL migrate. Observe now what code generated Django showing to you. Super awesome. If you know very well any kind of database, this is understanding very simple. Come on, my dear SQL knowledge people, respond now. How nicely generated here. Come on. Right. Clear, everybody? Anything is there here? Who did this job also? You understood, everybody? Yes, Mukul, not compulsory. You want to know internally what happening, you can do. Yes, default name. You cannot change, Bharat. Come on, understood up to there? Now, what part is completed? Python code generated into SQL code. Python code generated into SQL code. This SQL code, I want to put into table format. Next one, next level. Yeah, we can declare on. I'll show you that one also. Explicitly, all are possible. No problem. I'm giving examples also to you. Yes, we can browse table also. I'll show you. Sumit. Yes, we need to use migrate only, Santosh. Up to here clear. Shall I move forward? Little bit different. Properly observe. How to generate SQL tables. Read. After generating SQL code, we have to execute that SQL code to create a table in database. Migrate, creating several tables internally. Security, authentication, admin, sessions, content types related. Please understand, everybody. But which command you need to use? Migrate. Up to here, this paragraph is clear for you. That paragraph is clear for you. Come on, shall I do migrate now? Many files it is generating. So if I press enter, what it is happening? If I press enter, what happening now? Migrate. Generating all internal tables like, come on, admin, security, authentications, sessions, all these are generating. Ready, everyone? Shall I press enter? Observe you only now. Everything completed. All are over. Clear? What are the steps I'm doing? Don't be hurry. Read the note point. Migrate is responsible to execute SQL code, so that tables will be created in the database. Up to there, what steps I did? Are you clear? Up to there, what steps I did? Are you clear? Very good, Himanshu. Confusing means you are trying to understand. If everybody okay, I'll move forward to next step. No, sir means I'll repeat same steps. No, sir means parallel you can practice and tell me. Anything is no problem. Next one means admin level I'm going. Shall I move forward? Shall I repeat? Or do you want to practice? Come on, everyone. Okay, repeat. Some people are asking me repeat. Very good, clear. No problem. Can you write the steps what we wrote starting onwards? Step 1, project created. Step 2, application created. Step 3, required settings we did. Step 4, models.py. Step 4, models.py. Models.py level, what we wrote? Come on. Who asked me repeat, please repeat. Models.py level, what we wrote? Python model classes we wrote. Python model classes we wrote. Very good. In the next step level, these model classes, what we did? Migration we did. Very good. What is the meaning of migration? What is the meaning of migration? Converting a Python model class into SQL code. Very good. Once you convert it into SQL code, if you want to see that SQL code, what command you used? If you want to see that SQL code, what command you used? SQL migrate. Very good. SQL migrate used. By using SQL migrate, what happened? Whatever the code generated, the code displayed on your screen. Okay, this code, who generated this code? Django generated. Now this code I want to convert into in the form of different tables. Every project having lot of tables. These tables are very useful. You are observing or not, when you are running the project, you are getting some warnings. I don't know how many you people observed that. Now I'll show you. Go there, see. Observe here. 18 unapplied migrations. Once you completed migrate, very good, my dear. Listen, Bob. Once you completed these migrations, you never ever get this error message. You never ever get the error message. Are you understanding what is happening? I'm not hurry. I'm going very slowly in a standard manner. So once these migrations error message is not coming, means your project perfectly your your project perfectly targeted, your project perfectly deployed. Right. Now, already migrations completed now. Migrations completed now. Now, shall we run the same command? Shall we run the same command, run server? Observe now. Are you getting same messages or not? You can check it now. Are you getting any messages now? Come on, software engineers. 18 unapplied migrations. Anything you are getting? No. Very good. No. Come on, software engineers. You are not getting. Why you are not getting? Why you are not getting? Because already created all the tables which you required for project. Because all the tables created which you required for the project. Am I clear for you? Come on, everyone. Right. Shall I go to admin interface? Shall I go to admin interface? Comfort or not, you can check it. No means I'll repeat. No means I'll repeat. But don't confuse. Himanshu, any confuse? No, very good. I'm moving to now admin interface. Super user. The admin interface of a website is the control panel of your website project. It is used by the administrators of the website to add, delete, and edit the content on the site. Understood? What is Django admin super user? What is Django admin super user? Django admin is the preloaded interface made to fulfill at the all needs of the developers. Oh, super. Admin interface is giving now. Setting up Django admin site. Shall I set up? Shall I set up Django admin? Shall I set up Django admin? Right. Go there now. Stop that one. What I need to do? Python manage.py. Create super user. Super user means administrator. Username I'm giving. Email address I'm giving. Password not visible. Type not visible. Oh, super. Come on, tell me what happened. Admin configured successfully for this project. Admin configured successfully for this project. Take your own time. Admin configured for this project. Come on, remaining software engineers. Right? Run server. Go there. Give admin. Admin login is coming. Observing everyone. What I said, username. Yes, Raj. What I said. Shall I click on login? Whatever, just now I create a username. Password. While you are typing password, visible or not visible? Creation time, password visible or not visible? Password not visible. Security. Now I'm giving login. Shall I? Super. Django administration dashboard. Welcome, KS Raju. Super. Authentication and authorization. None available. Come on. Slowly, it is moving inside day by day. Slowly moving inside day by day. Himanshu, every step here all available. Every step here all available. I ran the server. And I opened in the admin. Then username, password entered. I opened this Django administration. Username, password, admin interface creation time I created. Following? Getting things. Himanshu. Shall I continue or shall I stop? Don't confuse. Don't confuse. Shall I move forward? Shall I go to next step? Okay, right. Next step, EMP table not visible here actually. EMP table is not visible here. See, I open. Then you cannot see any EMP table. You cannot see any EMP table here. Then do the following. If you cannot see where you need to go, there is admin.py available. Where it is available, admin.py. And the application level available. Go to admin.py level. Come on, from where available? Web app dot what available? Models. From there, what I need to import? Are you getting everybody? Are you understanding everybody? After that, what we need to do? Admin dot site dot register. What is my table name? What is my model name? EMP. EMP. Then save this. Save this. Go there. Just refresh here. Observe here. Here no EMP available. Just refresh here now. Super. Understood up to here. Shall I go to next step? Every point I'm asking confirmation. Ladder ending time, sir, confused, sir. Don't say that word. Every time confirmation I'm asking. Shall I go? Like that. Don't try to complete the course. Don't try to complete the course. Try to study the course. Right. Click on add. And you need to add some data. Yes. Employee name. Employee salary. Employee address. Hyderabad. Save, add another. Next, 1002, EMP name. Then you are giving something, EMP address. Like this, any number of records you can add. Any number of records. Already entered no previous one, that buffer is there. Entered as many as you want. All are data directly visible or it is looking like object? All our data directly visible, it is looking like object. Yes, it is looking like object. No, I want to see record as a record. Then what I need to do? NF, shall I go to next step? NF, shall I go to next step? Every record visible as object. Right. Then go to nodes, observe here. Then visibility like that. Then where should I go? Go there. What I need to write? Class I need to write. Class. Class name. Admin dot. Model admin. Observe correctly. All the column names is equal to whatever the column names available. First one. That is only visible whatever you wrote. EMP name. EMP cell. EMP address. Then EMP comma, what will come? Clear or not, you only check it, everybody. Clear or not, you only check it. ID, name, sal, add, clear? Just refresh here. Just refresh here. Everything clearly visible, every data point. Understood what is happening. Shall I move forward to next step? Come on. Right. I'm showing very slowly, Sumit. I'm not doing anything here. I think I'm going with 0 kilometer speed, Sumit. Observe you only. By default objects. That objects I converted into, see here in front of you available very clearly. I converted into show me every point clearly, I wrote here. So it is showing every point clearly. Previously it's showing only object. You want, for example, ID here. Yes, ID also you can. Then come here and refresh. ID also coming here. Understanding. Understanding, remaining members. Sumit. Enough. First up to there, enough. If I go to next step, 100% confuse guarantee, no problem. Okay. Same thing, I'm providing notes to you. Tomorrow I'll show you another project also. Don't confuse. So this is models project. Models project I'm giving to you. I'm uploading the same models project. How many steps? Can anybody say the steps in the chat box? What we did in today's session? Ascending order also will display. Don't worry, Himanshu. Latest one first will display. That is a common. We have commands. Well, use commands and it will display the normal order. Come on, come on. What are the steps we did? Quickly, you can type. Very good, very good. Finally, everybody understood. Finally, everybody understood. Critical session. I hope everybody understood. Critical session, but everybody understood. Finally, clear? Practice well. Thank you, everyone. Good night, everybody. But very important, little critical. Very important, little critical. Okay. Thank you. Any question, please ping here. Good night.